Hi, we're here playing the tornado survival game on a train. Yeah, so let's get a move on. Is this what you meant to do, Sonic? Not in the moment, no. Well, that blew up. Everybody, get out of the seats and take formation. We're okay. Don't you see that red thing right there? That's a bomb. Mr. Conductor, we are breaking in. I don't know about you, Mr. Conductor, but I don't want to go that way. Yeah, that way. I don't want to go that way. So, Mr. Conductor, we're gonna be okay. Don't worry. We're gonna be okay. Ring the horn, man. Ah, yeah. Mr. Conductor, hold on to your connections. We are gonna be okay. I was gonna say like either wires or circuits. But yeah, the conductor is gone. No. Honk honk, people, we're on a train. Get those out of here. Well, it seems like we're the last train left. There's nothing here but us. Get out of here. You're not welcome here. Yeah, all rocks must leave the premises. Yeah, he man. You know what? We're doing all right. We are okay. Not anymore, not. Ah, Mr. Conductor. We'll catch you. Okay. Are you gonna come down there? Are you going to get down from there? Because you do sometimes. There was one time. I remember it. Hey, hey, how's your day been? Bombingly? That's amazing. What are you doing, Tails? I'm making friends with the conductor. Leave me alone. Hi. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Yeah, come down here. Get down here. We'll catch you. Still working static. I can see why. This is gonna be all Tails. Let me check. Yeah. Ugh. Why'd you tag me along, Sonic? I just woke up. I was gonna stay in my room today and be not bothered by you. Sorry, Shadow. I thought you should tag along sometimes. Not with you, I don't wanna. I'll be glad that Rouge is sleeping in, mate. Rouge is sleeping in? Why? She's tired. Also, she has to go to work with me today. Oh, yeah. You guys still got your job. Mr. Conductor, will you be okay? Good. Gotta love that Italian music, man. You're just dancing like an idiot. What are you doing, Tails? Dancing. You like my dance? When you're not afraid, sure. Okay. The sky is falling rocks, Sonic. I see that. They have bombs as well. No, not the bombs already. That was close. No, you scared the conductor. Hey, don't do that. Hey, that's rude. Okay, bye. Mr. Conductor, I think we're slowing down. Speed up the pace, Mr. Conductor. goes with you. Speed up the pace, Mr. Conductor. Let's go. Tails, you're just dancing. What are you doing? I'm dancing to Italian music. It's so catchy. You should check the conductor's seat, Tails. Oh, one more dance and I'm good. Yeah, the conductor's gone. We're stuck with debris. Move. Do you know this two-tailed fox is just being an idiot right now, right? Yeah, he does that. Fight bubbles. And bombs. My pipe bubble. Now you're rocking away. Get back here. This is the longest that we have survived. Ow! That's great, Tails. How did you think of that, Mr. Conductor? Yay! All those for freaking rock point bubbles! No one wants that! Mr. Conductor, it's more fun staring up at you. Yes! Tails are just being creepy again. I'm good at it! Okay, nothing's happening. I would imagine. Let's go! Mr. Conductor! Tails, you know you're not gonna get that jump right. You know that. What are you talking about? I can get to the conductor just fine. I'll catch you! I'll catch you! Come here! Come here! He doesn't want to fall down, Sonic. He's not very nice. He's not a nice conductor. What are you doing? Are you gonna be okay, Tails? No. Can you believe that guy? So rude. Oh, now you fall. Now you fall. Hey, hey, what is it? Hey, 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 hey. Tails. No! No! Ah! Ah! Tails, it's okay. He was just a robot. No, no, he wasn't. He was Mr. Conductor. You never just Mr. Conductor. Ah! Ah! I want this. Stupid. Ah! Ah! No! No! I don't want it. I don't want it. No. That sucked, Sonic. Mm-hmm. That's why it's your fault. No, it's not. We're staying right here. Right here. And if the tornado gets us, it gets us. Are you serious, Tails? I'm serious. He's not serious, is he? I'm pretty sure he's serious. So bring it on, tornado. Forget the bombs. Forget you. We're heading this direction. I wonder what happened. I wonder what happens if you jump off, Tails. Did I die by the tornado? See, the tornado's already picking up stuff, dude. See, look at it. That pump bubbles are light, and yet there's no tornado. Where are you? Okay, never mind. Never mind. It's there. Ow! There's not even a conductor here to say this. Oh, you suck. You suck. And we're leaving. Goodbye. Now will you jump off, Tails? Fine. I'm jumping up at the front. Mr. Conductor, don't worry, I'll be fine. You just ran yourself over with a train, dude. I know. Fascinating. Tails. Yeah. Let's do that again. Tails. Yes. Tails. Yes. Banzai! Okay, I literally just break my legs. I just break my legs. And I get crushed by the tornado. That's bad. Anyways, Tails. Amy, control your voice, Tails. No. This Shadow. These Knuckles. Sonic, bye.